Parents, how many were ready? Say hi. Welcome to another story. Parents, a baby camel, mother camel கிட்ட போய் கேட்டாங்க, அம்மா, why do we have such big feet? எங்களோட கால், why my feet is very very big? Why my feet is very big? So parent என்ன சொன்னாங்க, my dear child, desertல பார்த்தோம்னா நிறைய மண் இருக்கும். இந்த earth floors இது கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளா இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்டா இருக்கும். கால் வச்சா we should not go down, correct? The floor keeps shifting, so that's why we have big padded feet for that. Oh, child was very very happy. Wonderful answer. Yes ma, now I understand why my feet is very wide. Then he asked, my amma, why do we have such big eyelids? Eyelashes அவ்வளோ அதிகமாக அவ்வளோ பெருசா இருக்கு. And in fact I noticed that I don't have one eyelid, I have 3 eyelids. அவங்களுக்கு இன்னொரு ஒயிட் கலர் ஐலிட் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ அம்மா என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, மை டியர் சைல்ட், டெசர்ட்ல அடிக்கடி சாண்ட் ஸ்டார்ம்ஸ் நடக்கும். There will be windy storms and dust will fly. So we have these big eyelashes so the dust should not enter our eyes and should not harm our eyes. Correct? So the child is convinced, oh, Amma, you know everything. Wow, lovely. Amma, now why do we have this hump at the back? Why do we have such a large hump at the back? My dear child, desert la for years, for months, mala varadu. We need to store water. This is basically kind of a storage tank for us, because sometimes in dryness, in the dry weather, for days or weeks together we have to walk without water. So we have this. Oh, Amma, very very nice. Thank you so much. Mama, I have one last question. ஒரு லாஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் எனக்கு இருக்கு. அம்மா, நல்ல கால் இருக்கு, கரெக்டான இது இருக்கு, we have the hump, you are saying that we are designed for the desert, we are called the ship of the desert, correct? Amma, then what are we doing in the zoo? What are we doing in the zoo? Think பண்ணி பாருங்க parents, there is a very deep thought. What are we doing in the zoo? Your child is capable of doing great things. Your child is born as a champion. Your child can do amazing things. நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், இது பண்ணாத, அது தொடாத, இது பண்ணாத, ஜாஸ்தியெல்லாம் பறக்க வேணாம் நீ. And we, what do we do? What do we do? We cage them. We cage them. நம்மளோட beliefs, parents, நம்மளோட beliefs become the child's belief.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.